Safety procedures and standard operating procedures are required to ensure the safety of employees, to improve productivity, and to maximize machine tool life.
Workplace safety standards are set by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA.
Companies have the right to implement more stringent safety measures than those required by OSHA, but they do not have the right to reduce any OSHA safety standard. It is each employee's responsibility to follow OSHA standards to ensure that the proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, is always worn. Machine shops typically require eye and hearing protection and possibly head protection, depending on the operation. In addition, non-slip footwear, possibly with steel toes, will also be required. Clothing must never be loose or hanging and should be fully buttoned up and tucked in. Jewelry, unkempt long hair, and anything hanging from a person could get caught in the equipment and cause severe injury, and is not recommended when operating the machine.